We are walking from the van to the creek. I don't know if it's a creek because it's huge, but the name of the campground is Johnson Creek Campground in Texas. I think the name of the town is Diana. But this is so incredibly gorgeous. I did not expect this. This was just a kind of stopover before I get to Houston. And it's just magnificent. I don't have many words except, wow. And this is looking west, so last night the sunset was beautiful. Not many clouds last night, so it wasn't exactly like dramatic, but it was gorgeous nonetheless. So yeah, Johnson Creek Campground in Diana, Texas. Highly recommend it. There's a beautiful walking path by the water, and the water continues for quite a while along the path. And there are campsites for tents that are right by the water. It's gorgeous. Okay, that's it for now. Or maybe I should take you down. I'll take you down to the beach. It was very windy last night, so I didn't video much, because usually the sound is terrible when it's windy. And I don't know how to do noise cancellation or any of that technical stuff. I have to be careful too, because Ollie walks into branches now. He doesn't see them, not even when he gets close. So this is their little beach here. I love the architecture of these shelters. They look lovely from afar and from close by. But yeah, Texas, here we are. And I'm guessing that's east, because last night the sunset was there. And, the sun is here now, so it's morning. All right, folks, my brain is a little morning-fied. See you soon.